Visualization. That is the phrase printed on 4 different New York civil service notices. And if you have gone looking for what it means, you have found reading lessons written for school exams. This is what it means on these ones. A figure is rotated, and you have to say which of 4 is the result. Trying to hold the whole shape and spin it is what makes this feel hard. Tracking 2 points does not. In the next few minutes, the technique, step by step, and then the 4 ways people lose points on it. First, find the marked square first. One square is marked precisely so the figure cannot be confused with its own rotations. Work out where that square goes under the turn you're asked for, and most options eliminate themselves immediately. Second, use a corner as your second point. 2 points fix a rotation completely. Take the marked square and one clear corner of the shape, work out both, then check an option against them. If both match, you are done. Third, know what each turn does to a corner. A quarter turn clockwise sends the top left corner to the top right. A half turn sends it to the bottom right. 3/4 sends it to the bottom left. Learn those 3 and you stop re-deriving them under time pressure. Fourth, rule out the mirror. One wrong option is usually a flip rather than a turn. A flip reverses the order of the squares along a row, while a rotation does not. So if a shape looks right but feels backwards, that is the one. Now the other half, and it is the half most people skip. These are the 4 ways this ability is actually lost. Not by not knowing, but by answering the question next to the one on the page. First, turning the figure the wrong way. Anti-clockwise instead of clockwise. Second, choosing a mirror image that matches the outline but not the marked square. Third, counting the squares and stopping there, when all 4 options have the same count. Fourth, rotating the grid instead of the figure inside it. Every one of those is a habit, which means every one of them is fixable by drilling rather than by studying harder. And this is why it is worth the effort. Visualization is not one exam's quirk. 4 New York civil service exams test it. School safety agent, 7323. Police officer, 7313. Correction officer, 6303. Environmental police officer, 6305. Different jobs, different notices, different agencies, the same skill on all of them. Which means the practice you put in here is not spent on one application. It follows you to every other exam on that list. Reading about a technique is not the same as owning it, and this one only transfers under a clock. Free practice for visualization is at dutyrank.com/exams, with the reasoning shown on every answer. DutyRank is an independent study product and is not affiliated with any government agency,